Let me tell you guys something about the coming iPhone 17. Firstly, you should know that it has not yet been released. Secondly, you should know that it will be more artificially intelligent than all of the mobile devices you've come across. The features, the interactions, the specifications, and the functionalities are going to be top notch, as it's going to interact with its users almost as human. For real. Don't be surprised that Siri would come to reality. She will come to life. Nevertheless, we are not here to talk about coming iPhone 17. I'm here to talk about the already existing iPhones and other Apple devices in the market. Their laptops, their phones, their iWatches, their AirPods, and all you can imagine of Apple products. Yes, all you can think of. The accessories as well, which includes the chargers, the cables, and so much more. Guess what? They are all available and affordable for you right now. I am not playing. If you're watching this from Ghana, it's just a DM away. Let's also keep that aside. Do you also know that you can swap your old iPhones for a higher, newer, and a better one? Yes, of course you can. You definitely can. At Atlas Digital Store, located here in Shop 4, Radiance Filling Station, along Springtex Road. They don't just sell. They buy and swap iPhones. You have old ones you want to change to a new version, a higher version, a better version. Atlas Digital got you covered. Okay, let me just give you a hint. Briefly, they sell other devices and accessories too. JBL Bluetooth speakers, Windows laptops, PlayStation 4 and 5, earpiece or headsets, cables, chargers, batteries, game discs and pads, internet modem, and so much more. So much more. This is just a hint. Well, all you've got to do is click on the link in this video, drop us a DM, let's make a deal. Don't say I didn't tell you.